Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Authentic from the 2023 Wave 4. We have Chris Buescher's Pala Casino Spa and Resort Next Gen car. On the back of the car, you can get other cars from the Wave 4 series, like Chase Elliott Hooter's Night Car, Kyle Busch's Next Gen, and also look out for Zane Smith's Chase Peace Championship truck. Let's get Chris Buescher out of the box. So here we have the sticker, which has the Pala Casino Spa and Resort. The pink number 17, his name, and Chris Buescher's name. Which is interesting though, the C and the R connect together as one. And here's the car. So the front of the car is mostly gray with the Pala Casino Spa and Resort logo. The hood is purple with a white outline first, then black, and then pink with a white number 17. So it looks like the paint scheme goes around in a black line, then with a purple coloration. And also on the sides you have a pink 17 with a white and black outline. And on the front, you have some purple here, which somehow doesn't blend in with anything. Then it goes to the pink. And then right here in the middle part of the sides of the car and on the back of the car, you have that pink and purple fade in, kind of like a sunlight. Like, on the side, you have the Fifth Third Bank logo with Fastenal. Excuse me. And on the side, you have what RFK cars usually have, this kind of logo. The Pala Casino Resort. I'll give you a nice 360 view of the car. And I think that's all I have for this episode. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.